Hey guys, how you doing? I'm good. Wow. There's been a lot of damage. This is from Hurricane Ian. Over there, that house over there. Oh my gosh. Anywho, yeah, all these trees down, limbs from all the trees. Crazy. Let's see, what was I going to talk about? Anyway, yeah, I'm spending the weekend with my son and the family. I'm very excited about it, and can't wait to see the kids. Yeah, I gotta watch for the street I need to turn on. Yeah, all the debris that's from the storm yet. Oh, I was going to tell you about the lighthouse. Okay, I checked, how I saw the light come on in the lighthouse in St. Augustine. Well, I talked to the manager of the lighthouse, and at the time I was there was not a tour group going by, okay, or in there. No one was supposed to be in there. The lights were supposed to be off. The other thing was, on the 4 windows on top, you are supposed to be able to see the north, south, east, west. You're able to see through the window to the other side, to the other window. And it's funny, when I went around to the other side of the lighthouse that night, yeah, you could, half of it was blacked out. So I told the guy that, and he had one of them, okay, like this is a common occurrence at the lighthouse. So that happened. And then I went to do my laundry the next day, and oh my gosh, that was crazy. I pull up here. I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay. I go in the laundromat, and some lady opened the door for me. Thank you very much. I went in, and I go to the washing machine and everything, and I look for a soap dispenser. I didn't see one, and I went back to the counter, and the lady was in the back. The lady that usually does the, all the ironing and pressing and the folding and all this. Well, I caught her, and I asked her, I said, can I buy a box of soap, a box of Tide? And she looks at me odd, and she said, didn't you check the machine? Now, she is standing less than 2 feet away from the soap boxes, okay? Less than, Would have killed her. Oh, I just passed my street. Would it have killed her to, oh, yeah, there's one up front, but let me go ahead and give you something, okay? No. She said, you missed it up front. It's up there. And I said, well, I'm sorry. I didn't see it. And so, oh, look at that house. Spooky, spooky. Back to me. So I had to go back up there and get my box of soap out of the machine. And then I thinking, okay, I got my laundry in, and I got the money, and I got the soap, and I tried to turn it on, and it wouldn't turn on. And I'm thinking, okay, what's the deal? And I didn't want to go up to that lady again because she was like mean. And oh, hush up. And so I said, I'm sorry to bother you, but the machine isn't working. She comes out with a real sour look on her face, and she looks at the machine, and she opens the door and then slams the door. I mean, she slammed the crap out of that door, and it started working. And I said, oh, that's the deal. You're supposed to be rough with the machine. I was trying to be nice to it. I was thinking maybe that would give her, that would be, a little smile on her face. No. And then I get a drink. I went and sit down. I got a Coke. Opened the Coke. It fizzed all over the floor. I hope I'm going to the right place. Fizzed all over the floor. And then I'm just going to park here until Tom comes up. Because I don't know if this is her house or not. Never been here before. Oh, okay. Anyway, yeah, I don't know, Sammy. I don't know. Where was I? Okay, so I went to get some paper towels from the back to mess it, because it just exploded everywhere. So I got that cleaned up, and then I took a drink and choked to death on my Coke. I thought I was going to die, actually, but no one came over to help and see if I was okay. Yeah, welcome to Florida. Let's see, what else happened? There was something else happened. I can't remember what it was, but I'm thinking the laundromat from hell, okay? So if you're ever in St. Augustine and you cross the bridge to get on A1A, do not go to that very first laundromat on the right-hand side. No, stay far, far away, okay? The Lighthouse Laundromat, I think they called it. No. So, yeah, that wasn't good. Wasn't good. I can't tell if that's their car or not. Okay. Anyway, get back to the point. So I covered the lighthouse, which I think I've got something there. Plus, I saw a little shadow in the lighthouse inside the where the actual light is that no one goes in. I saw a little shadow, and I said, "What the hell is that?" And I looked. I never saw it again. So I'm thinking maybe I caught two things. Whoa! So let's see, that's that. And yesterday, I went back to the truck stop yesterday to find out if anyone could clue me in on the 5 cop cars. No one knew exactly why they were there, but they said the guy that was arguing with himself is crazier than a bedbug. And what's really what's really odd is that when this one guy came in, I thought he was someone else from the parking lot, and I almost asked him, hey, what happened to that crazy guy? It was a crazy guy. Oh my God. So, anyway, that's what I've been doing. I will try to make a video tomorrow, and hopefully I'm at the right house. Okay, just saying. So you guys take it easy. Take the long way home.